Are you a real estate investor that's looking for rental property financing based on income of the property and not your actual personal income? If yes, then DSCR loans are built for that. They might be a good fit for you. So DSCR stands for debt service coverage ratio. So instead of looking at your W-2s or personal tax returns, lenders focus on whether the property itself generates enough income to actually cover the loan payments. So here's how it works. If you've got a minimum FICO of 600, a DSCR of 1.1x or higher, and strong rental income on the property, you could secure anywhere between $200,000 and $3 million in financing. And you'll see a lot of social media people talking about they're doing Airbnbs and stuff like that. So like if that property can cash flow at a certain amount, or if you go buy like an apartment complex, you can get potentially more in funding simply because that property is cash flowing at X amount of dollars per month. So funding range on this, like I said, is anywhere from $200,000 to $3 million, potentially more. But again, the biggest factors here are the DSCR of 1.1x or higher and the cash flow of the actual property itself. So why would you want to use this? Well, this is great for real estate investors that want to scale their portfolios and without having it tied to any type of personal income at all, because again, it's approved based on the cash flow of the actual property. So let's say you're an investor, you finance a rental portfolio using this type of loan. So even without having like a W-2, if you're a brand new investor, even without using your W-2 income, you could potentially qualify for the rental properties and buying it simply because there's enough cash flow in that particular property. So if you want to see if a DSCR loan might work for you or might be the good thing for you to apply for, click the link in the description below. It's going to take you to a quick survey. It takes like 2 minutes to fill out. There's about 9 or 10 questions. It's just going to ask you some basic information about your business, where you're at, how long you've been, where you're at in business, as far as like how long you've been in business. It's going to ask you some basic information about your business revenue. As soon as you submit that survey, it's going to open up a calendar where you can then schedule a free call with one of our funding specialists. What they're going to do on that call to keep it productive is they're going to use the information from the survey. They're going to take a look at all your potential funding options and then explain all of those on the call with you. You can ask any questions you need to. Again, there's no cost to you whatsoever just to learn about your potential funding options, and there's no pressure or anything like that. It's literally just to educate you on potential options so you can make the right decision for your business. But all that starts with you actually clicking the link in the description, completing that short survey, scheduling your free call with a funding specialist, and then you can learn about potential funding options and make a decision for your business and your situation from there.